everyone, my name is Harshi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Harshi Baldota and I am a third year law student at GLC Mumbai. Well, a lot of you told me to make videos regarding different fields of law, what should one do after graduating from law school and stuff like that. So I have spoken to a lot of my seniors and now I am curating this video for you. Well, in this video, I am going to tell you 3 most sought after fields after law school. So if you are interested in content like this, well, you need to subscribe to my channel because my channel is all about that. It's about law, it's about law school, it's about GLC, it's about MHCET and everything related to that. Well, the first one is litigation. Litigation is the most sought after career field after graduating from a law school. Well, you can directly start as an independent legal practitioner or join as an associate in a litigation firm or join as a junior advocate in the chambers of a senior advocate. When starting out, independent legal practice could be a little bit tough because you are straight out of college, you don't have much experience, plus you haven't built a name for yourself, which means that you will get less briefs, less cases, less clientele. Hence, most people generally recommend to join as an associate in a litigation firm or join as a junior advocate in the chambers of a senior advocate during their initial years so that you can gain experience, you can learn from the seniors and you can know what it takes to be in the litigation practice. You know the in and out of the litigation practice. Hence, litigation is one of the most sought after career field after law school. Well, the second one is judiciary. Judiciary is again a very sought after career opportunity for a lot of law graduates. Considered as an elite career opportunity, a lot of law graduates go for judiciary examinations because you don't only get money in it but also power, fame, respect, name, etc. Well, if that sounds something that you are interested in, let me tell you how you can boost your judiciary preparation. Top Rankers is coming up with Judiciary Gold, one-stop solution for all judicial aspirants who are looking to prepare for judiciary examination. If you are a college student in their penultimate or ultimate year or a hardcore judiciary aspirant, Judiciary Gold is definitely for you. With covering over 10 state judiciary examinations, Judiciary Gold could be the solution you are looking for. You can use the code Harshi10 to avail a 10% discount on all the judiciary courses on Judiciary Gold. For more about the courses, you can check them out on their website. I'll give the link in the description for you. Well, the third very popular stream for law graduates is corporate law. A lot of people think that you can do corporate law only after you have done CS. Well, that's not the case. You can intern at a corporate firm and then gain experience about that and go ahead in the field. Some departments in corporate law are mergers and acquisitions, capital markets, finance, etc. So, corporate law again is a very popular career field after graduating from a law school. Well, I guess that's it for this one. These were the most popular career fields that law students take after graduating from law school. There are certain other lesser known fields also that law graduates do take after graduating from law school. So if you want me to make a video on that, let me know. I'll do a part 2 for this too. And I guess that's it for this one. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down any video topics you want me to make videos on. That's it for this one. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.